Absolutely. Let's dive into another delicious recipe, spaghetti carbonara with a twist. This classic Italian dish is rich, creamy, and oh so satisfying. Get ready to indulge your taste buds. Here are the key ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 8 ounces, 225 grams, spaghetti. 4 slices of bacon, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 3 large eggs. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/2 cup grated Pecorino Romano cheese. Freshly ground black pepper. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Before we start cooking, let's prepare our ingredients. Cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a mixing bowl, beat the eggs and whisk in the grated Parmesan and Pecorino Romano cheeses. Set aside. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. In a large skillet, cook the diced bacon over medium heat until crispy and golden brown. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Now, here comes the twist to our classic carbonara. Remove the skillet from heat and add the cooked spaghetti directly to the skillet with the bacon and garlic. Pour the egg and cheese mixture over the spaghetti while it's still hot. Quickly and vigorously toss the spaghetti to coat it evenly with the egg and cheese mixture. The heat from the pasta will cook the eggs, creating a creamy sauce. Make sure to work quickly to avoid scrambling the eggs. Season with freshly ground black pepper to taste and toss again to distribute the flavors. And voila! Our spaghetti carbonara with a twist is ready to be enjoyed. To serve, plate the creamy spaghetti carbonara, making sure to get every last bit of that delicious sauce. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley to add a vibrant touch. This dish is best enjoyed immediately while it's still warm and creamy. I hope you have a fantastic time preparing and savoring this delectable spaghetti carbonara with a twist. Remember, cooking is all about exploring new flavors and putting your own twist on classic recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Bon appétit!